My name is Meghyn Fountain, and I'm the Coral Team Lead at the Perry Institute for Marine Science. So as the Coral Team Lead, I focus on coral conservation and research. That would entail reef health monitoring, treating for diseases, maintenance of our nurseries, and all sorts of projects that help with coral conservation. I also get to train people in coral ID, coral disease, how to treat corals. I get to teach people why they're important, work with other scientists. So as a kid, I was always super curious. I always wanted to be in the water. I always wanted to know what that was and why this happens. And I think the ocean has just always been like such an important part of my life. And as I grew older, I realized all of the threats, not only the ocean, but the animals within it were facing. And so I wanted to dedicate my life to helping to do something good that would not only benefit the ocean and the marine environment itself, but the Bahamas. I love teaching people about this beautiful environment and why the marine environment is so important to us. I love the travel that's involved with my job. I get to see not only new places within my own country, but worldwide. And I also just get to see the advantage of doing the restoration work firsthand. I get to see the corals growing. I get to see them thriving under the water. And I think that's a really rewarding experience. PIMS has been such an important part of my journey, and it honestly helped to shape the path that I'm on today. I started with PIMS as an intern, and before I interned here, I honestly didn't think that coral would be something that I would be so focused on. I was so interested in all the big stuff, the sharks, the whales, the manta rays, the eagle rays. But after interning with PIMS, I realized how important corals are and how crucial they are not only to our environment, but the Bahamian economy. And so I was kind of pushed in that career path by PIMS, and I am so thankful because through that, I've gotten to level up in dive training. I've gotten to level up in certain skills needed for research, which is so crucial. So the advice that I would give is to get as much experience as you can. You'd be surprised how many organizations just want help and how many organizations are willing to take some extra time to teach you in the things that they do and to help you get to a higher level, whether it's dive skills or research skills or analytical skills, writing skills, whatever they need. I think that they're willing to help you. Something I wish I knew sooner was to just ask. I think just asking and talking to people within this community it'll be a big help if this is the career path that you want to take.